on the bus in San Jose. Just took the train straight from work. I'm meeting Max. So I wanted to meet Max in San Jose, but he suggested we go to some other area around town. Probably he's gonna show me some nice trails. We agreed to meet somewhere that's for me in the middle of nowhere, out of the city. Yeah, the bus is taking like half an hour to get there, but I shall be there soon. I hope we are going in that direction, in the mountains, because it looks very nice. Charging my phone. Yep. Finally out of the bus. It's quite slow. Traffic in the city is slow, not the bus. I'll meet Max just across the street, and hopefully we'll go right somewhere there. Should be fun.
Of VESC until they rode that.
Nice.
And that hit 31 miles per hour.
So I'm riding the top west board now. That's good to know.
Probably best board as of now. Oh shit, I can't stop. Yeah, this makes you pay attention.
Yeah, it does. Gotta be careful with that one.
It won't cut off, right?
No, should not. Max's VESC board with no lights. At least he has lights on mine. This is dark side.
Is the world upside down?
So funny.
It's perfectly balanced.
Well, it's because of that it slides.
Only because of this, huh?
Probably, because you know it's a little bit off. And
That's potential for tricks.
the VXwheel doesn't like tricks. Whoa! Nobody has done this before on this board.
Pretty smooth.
Nice. So slow traffic lights, So slow. I wanna move. Anyway, I'm still in San Jose. I just met Max. I had an amazing time with him. He showed me the tracks, his VESC boards. I mean, that's all I wanted to do here in the USA. Meet riders and try their trails and their boards. So, first onewheel I met, actually he had two. That was fun. Need to catch the train back to Sunnyvale. It's getting late. It's, I don't know, 10:30. Gotta work tomorrow. The sooner I'm done with work, the sooner we ride even more. So that's what's keeping me going. I gotta wait for half an hour for the train. That's not cool, but what can you do? Let's wait.
Very first car, folks. That's the car in the Grandparent Travel. Very front. Only one opening here is large. Alright, folks. Making our stop at 3
So back at Sunnyvale, finally. Battery is running low on the phone and on the onewheel. Okay, never mind. So as much as I'm stoked for riding with Max on the trails that they do and also some in the city, I'm not that much stoked on the California train system. I waited 40 minutes now to get back to Sunnyvale, which is okay. I mean, weird people on the station, but I survived. Now I'm riding back to the hotel. It's late. I tried to sleep enough, but not gonna be enough tonight. Tomorrow another day of work and hopefully another day of riding. We've done trails, we switched boards. He did some tricks on my board, but it's fine. VXwheel survived Max's tricks. That's a good point. The days are just too short here, or is it me that I have too many plans of what I want to do? I return to the hotel each day later. That's not cool. What can I do if this place is so fun to ride? We'll see what happens in the next days. New day, back in San Jose. Surf was in town, so I wanted to visit and say hi, but the train was late, everything was late, I'm late. So I'm gonna just cruise back to downtown as I went off the train one station further away and check out the city. Maybe not the safest part of town to be. You can play Monopoly in the park and you can use your onewheel as your figure, I think, straight where it belongs. Nice one, but there's no one to play. That's lame. Monopoly on a onewheel. Do you think those are angry geese or friendly ones? They're quite friendly. Cruising around town. Okay, San Jose is nice, but there was nothing special to do right there. So I decided I'm gonna onewheel back to Sunnyvale. It's getting dark. Somebody at the place where I work suggested this is a nice trail that goes all the way to San Jose. Well, I'm now going from San Jose, but it doesn't matter, it's the same way. And he mentioned that the part that goes near the airport is on our left, is full of homeless people and might be a bit scary. Passing by the airport, I bet this is a very nice spot to ride at daylight. There's a nice creek, a lot of ducks and stuff. It's just not fun anymore because it's dark. I made already a big part of the way back, but I think I'm gonna go to the Lawrence station, which is almost Sunnyvale, but let's say I made it or not. I'm approaching Lawrence station. Made it almost to Sunnyvale. I have 10% battery on my one wheel. This might be just enough to get me from Sunnyvale station to the hotel, so let's end it like this. Didn't make it till the final destination, but almost. It's like 3 miles difference, but I would need to charge somewhere and I'm not up to this today. Maybe next time. What's worst about US trains is there are no sockets for charging on them, no sockets even on the train station. So what am I supposed to do? I have like 5% battery, still something to ride from the station. Earlier I said there are no sockets, but I found one. There was a sign that I need to share the road, like bikes share the road with cars. No way I'm sharing this road. It's scary to ride there. Also $2 to add a few PSI of leaking air to my tire. No way, I'm not buying this. Another day, another sunset down there. It's 7th day in a row working between 10 and 12 hours a day and riding evenings only. I have to say I'm kinda dead. I almost couldn't went out for a ride today. Almost stayed at the hotel, but I decided to do a quick one, which ended up being about 5 miles one way, but yeah, that's a quick one. By the way, I'm at Lawrence. That's where I got to the train yesterday because I couldn't do it no more. So I'm doing the part that I did not yesterday. This stuff is good. Couldn't resist going for a fast evening ride. Anyway, the most important thing for today is chill up a bit and relax as much as possible, because tomorrow it's Friday, and on Friday there are group rides of one wheels, both in San Jose and in San Francisco. Since I'm most probably working also Saturday, I think I'm not gonna be able to reach San Francisco tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna end up in San Jose, which also hosts a group ride. They say they expect about 51 wheels, which is a lot for my first group ride. There's the sunset. I think I have some 10 minutes, some miles more back to the hotel, and I don't want to do any more riding today. I just need to relax as much as possible, because I'm just destroying myself by working too much and riding too much every single day. I don't know how I'm still alive. But this part of the neighborhood is very fun to ride. Some funny sidewalks over here. I can't even believe myself. I made it back to the hotel before the dark. First day. That's an achievement towards having some more energy for tomorrow's one wheel group ride, wherever I'm gonna end up.